Good afternoon to all. A grade 4 class of Buluan Elementary School will be having a debate this afternoon. Before we proceed to our debate, I have the honor to present to you our panelists. We have Mrs. Risa May Manapco, a grade 2 advisor. We have Mrs. Paz G. Arandilla, a grade 5 advisor. Mrs. Noreen Labiana, a grade 6 advisor. And we have Mrs. Helga C. Wino, represented by Mrs. Maribel Pedrico, a grade 3 advisor. Our debaters for affirmative team, we have Giselle Osorio, Erica Lorino, Sarah Jane Magkila, Catrice May Abriqui, and Kyla Fernandez. For the negative team, we have Marivon Nicole Casimiro, Desa May Pasati, Shelo Amor Panisalis, James Daniel Flores, and we have Gerald Manzanares. Our moderator, Lysan T. Oliveros. And now, may I call in the moderator of this debate. We have Lysan Oliveros.
Good afternoon to our panelists, to our teacher, to our debaters this afternoon. Today, we will have our debate. Our debate is 15 minutes. Each of the respective groups along with our rationale. After this presentation, let any from each group offer a 5 minutes rebuttal. Another 5 minutes for the questions and answers. Following this, any from the group offer their support for or against the views of the two groups. You can ask questions and give your reaction in a given time wherein you are told to do so. In debate proper, 5 members will speak their side, and please wait for your turn and my command when to speak at. You are expected to jot down or record the important details during the debate proper. Our debate consists of 2 groups of 5. Each group takes for affirmative and the other group is negative. And for us to be aware of the time consumed, we have our timekeeper. Now, let's start the debate. Should plastic bags be banned? We have the affirmative team.
Should plastic bags be banned? Yes, because causes loss of jobs. I sometimes forget that the protection of plastic bag manufacturers is more important than attempting to clean the planet we live on. I forgot that so long as the workers in the plastic bag industry are okay, we will not suffer any environmental damage. Is a logical sentiment. That is contributing to the destruction of our planet. To believe that the livelihood of a few workers is more important than preventing environmental damage is a logical sentiment that receives significant criticism.
Should plastic bags be banned? Yes, because environmental damage. Plastic bag for use by consumers and supermarkets and other stores be made illegal. It is responsible for the deaths of large numbers of marine species who mistake the bags for food. Consumer must accept unethical and potentially deadly the continued plastic bags. Supermarkets must told by government that continue supplies of plastic bags will result in large fine wheels. Thus, supermarkets who remove all their bags can be rewarded.
Should plastic bags be banned? Yes, because products making most of the products made with plastic are not actually the really essential commodities. And moreover, they did this exist during our ancestors' time. They never had any difficulties of present time. Technological development up to an extent is okay, but further of it leads to borrow of devastation. It will not affect the products. We are talking about the plastic bags, not any plastic.
Should plastic bags be banned? Yes, because loss of technology. No loss of technology won't occur. Maybe it won't ever improve technology. People would make newer, more sophisticated bags, like United States, would no longer have trouble with pollution of plastic bags. The workforce from plastic bag factories can help make greener, smarter, and more eco-friendly materials. Should plastic bags be banned? Yes, because non-biodegradable. We do not need this many plastic bags in the world. The pollution caused by their creation alone is enough to warn a ban on their manufacture and their use. In addition, they do not degrade while in our rubbish dumps, so they will remain on this planet forevermore. We cannot have this accumulation of plastic bags, and the only way forward is to ban their distribution and use. Now, let's proceed to the rebuttal.
We, the affirmative team, strongly agree to ban plastic bags because it is responsible for our environmental damage. It may cause the death of large number of marine species, and people acclaim that it is wasteful and can cause people sicknesses. It is to believe also that it contributes to the destruction of our planet. It is well said also that ban of plastic bags is not the loss of technology, but instead the workforce from plastic bag factories can help make greener, smarter, and more eco-friendly materials. And finally, it should be banned. Yes, because we do not need this plastic bags in the world. It is non-biodegradable, wherein may cause pollution because it will not degrade in our rubbish dumps, that they will remain on survive on this planet forever.
Thank you, affirmative team, for views and insights. Now, let's hear the negative team. Should plastic bags be banned? No, because causes loss of jobs. The production of plastic bags is a big industry. There are factories which produce the bags and distribute them. Let us not forget that these factories might cause pollution, but they also have vast amount of stock policy the production in the time of recession. We should not be looking to thriving industries but save them. Factory workers are finding it increasingly difficult to get work in this day and age, and the ban of plastic bags distribution would only make their plight for employment event tougher.
Should plastic bags be banned? No, because environmental damage. It is lies that plastic bags are the main cause of people's concern, from sweet shops to oven production. Things which have much more disastrous consequences on the environment. The reality is the environment argument is mostly for the people to know about nothing. A more diligent approach to parenting that will solve this problem more effectively.
Should plastic bags be banned? No, because loss of technology. If you are to ban plastic bags, humans as a race will lose a lot of technology. Because plastic bags are used for more than just supermarkets. Plastic bags are actually used to build and support structures when architects are making them without plastic bags. It would be very hard for us to make houses. They are used to package up areas on walls so they know they did not block anything. Important, burning plastic bags would cause most people with broken walls have to pay a lot more as the price for a house will raise. Plastic bags should not be banned. Should plastic bags be banned? No, because non-biodegradable. Plastic can use in many ways. We can use it during our shopping, wherein it is free from mold, and we can reuse it, where it takes longer to degrade. How can be done? Therefore, be seen as having a positive effect on the environment. Should plastic bags be banned? No, because products making, we need plastic. We use plastic for making containers, toys, AC, and many more needful things. Plastic must be banned only in poly bags or on throwaway plastic. We must donate to pay fine, but don't use very much. Actually, plastic is very useful substance. It has many advantages. This time, let's hear the rebuttal. We, in the negative team, strongly disagree to ban plastic bags because it is not the main cause for our environmental damage. It depends upon the concern of people on how to make this environment more attractive. A diligent parenting approach can solve this problem more effectively. Production of plastic bags is a big industry that gives work to people. It is also used for making of products like containers, toys, and many more. It is advantageous, well said also that ban of plastic bags is lost a lot of technology because it actually used to build support structures, and finally it is non-biodegradable that can reuse it, where it takes longer to degrade. It can
question is addressed to the second speaker of the affirmative team that talk about the environmental damage. Why is it that you said so that plastic bags can cause environmental damage?
It can be cause of an environmental damage because it is a reason of the death of marine species and at the same, it destroys our Mother Earth. As what we are experiencing, we are suffering global warming because of rampant burning of plastic everywhere. It causes or destroys our ozone layer that causes climate change. This question addressed to the speaker number 3 on products making. Why did you say so that plastic making are not exactly the essential commodities, wherein it is very useful substance, it have many advantage or use? I can say so that most of the products made with plastic are not really essential commodities because we can look for another commodities to earn for our living and to support our family needs. This question is addressed to fifth speaker. Why is it that plastic bag is non-biodegradable and we do not need this in this world, wherein I've seen it has having a positive effect on the environment?
I can say that I am favor to ban plastic bags. It's because it is non-biodegradable and it uses our land. As may cause the deaths of many people, global warming, floods and global warming. We as citizens has a big responsibility to our people and we should save Mother Earth, not to destroy it. We attest that plastic is non-biodegradable, like for example, in our dam site, our urban years and years are passed by, plastic are stronger, and it proves that these are non-biodegradable.
All views and insights are well appreciated. Both of group have a very good ideas about the topic being discussed. You stimulated your thinking skills so as to generate new ideas. Once again, thank you very much.